So when the Prota Structure icon on the desktop is double clicked, this is where it brings you into the open project window, okay, where you have the most recent one that you've worked on being displayed. So we want to create our new project, and so what do? We click on the new project button here. Let's say we are going to call this project example 1. Now if I type the 1, I'm going to have this challenge. So what do? I have to, because it is not one word, I wanted to space it. In Prota you can't space it, so you just have to put an underscore to separate them, and then you have it. You say okay. The next thing is to import into the project settings the code you want to use. So I pick the UK code 8110, and then I just import to bring it into the project. So now that brings us into the main project screen, or the main drawing screen, and there are some few things we're going to learn as we start our first project. With the project at hand, let's say we are going to pull up this design. We are going to start to model this very simple grids that we have here to start with. For starters, we want to model this very simple structure so that we'll be able to go around the whole cycle or system within a very short time, and then right from there we will come back to a much more complex project in our second module, and then pick it up from there. Okay, so this is what we are going to do. We are going to model these columns here with the grids, add the beams, add the slab, take it to its respective heights. In fact, this one we are not going to go so much high. We're just going to do the ground floor and then the first floor, and then right after that we run some analysis, see how the various outputs comes and what we can do. I mean, some of the things that we can tweak on it for us to have a very good design that has really passed. And then we will work on the footing, and then we can call that our first module, just the basis of it. Okay, so we're not going to spend so much time on the various aspects. We're just going to take you around it so you understand it, and then we'll come back to pick each and every element of it one by one, and then we take it through. Okay, so thanks so much. In the next lesson we are going to discuss axis or grids. Thank you.